Hi, hello everyone. So today we're gonna learn about magic rings. We're gonna use it in most of crochet tutorials. So let's start. Let's take our yarn, and this is 2.5 millimeter hook. So you can use anything. Let's start holding your yarn with our thumbs and index finger like this. We turn it around across the first yarn like this, and we're gonna hold the cross here with our thumbs, turn it around. So let's hold this. You can use it with any fingers, and we put the hook under the first yarn, and we take this yarn like this, and we're gonna do one slip stitch. Okay, it will secure this magic ring. Okay, we take out our finger, hold this side, and it might be a little bit different, but this is what I always do. We take this little bit tail of yarn, we just want to make it nice like this. So we hold the other yarn that connected to all yarns, we hold this side, and we're just gonna start crochet into this ring, into this circle. Okay, let's do about 10 single crochet. So let's do it. One, like this. If you don't want to lose count, you can put stitch marker inside of this. This is the first single crochet. Let's do until then single crochet. Okay, this is the second one. We put inside this, we take one yarn over and pull through two loops. That's single crochet, three single crochet, four, five. Just keep holding the tail and this one. If you want to be it super tidy, you can just make it this like this. I don't really like it to be tangled around. So it's already 1 2 3 4 5. Let's do 6 7 8 9 and 10. So we pull. Now we're gonna pull this tail. Just don't worry, it will be fine. Just pull it super tight. Okay. Alright, like this. Almost looks like a circle. We take out the stitch marker. This time we're gonna slip stitch. Just slip stitch. In the other, maybe you're gonna do single crochet in the first, but this time I'm gonna slip stitch only because I want to show you. So it become a circle. So now you know how to make a magic ring. You can start over, you can do it again. Just this is the simple way. So thank you all for watching this tutorial, and see you in the other video.